Welcome to today's session, Understanding the Difference Between Paid Up Capital and Authorized Capital in BRSR Reporting. If you are a listed company in India, SEBI's BRSR just leveled up your reporting game. But what's this paid up capital thing in Section A? Today, we're decoding it fast, simple, and with example. Let's dive in. Paid up capital is a critical financial term that every company reporting under BRSR should understand. Simply put, paid up capital is the total amount of money a company has received from its shareholders in return for issuing shares that are fully paid. Under SEBI's rules, top list companies must disclose this in their sustainability reports to show financial transparency. Why does this matter? Paid up capital provides stakeholders with insights into a company's financial health, which ties directly to its ability to address environmental, social, and governance or ESG priorities. A strong paid-up capital can support investments in green technologies, employee welfare, or ethical governance. Under BRSR, companies are required to disclose the paid-up capital as part of their general information. This disclosure helps investors and stakeholders understand the company's financial foundation and the equity invested by shareholders. For example, if a company issues 10 million shares with a face value of 10 rupees each, and all shares are fully paid for by shareholders, then the paid-up capital is 100 million rupees, 10 million shares multiply 10 rupees each. On the other hand, authorized capital is the maximum amount of share capital a company is legally permitted to issue to investors, as stated in its Memorandum of Association. Think of it as the company's fundraising ceiling. For example, if a company has an authorized capital of 10 crore rupees, it cannot issue shares worth more than this amount without shareholder approval and legal amendments. To illustrate, imagine a startup called Green Tech Innovations. Green Tech sets its authorized capital at 50 lakh rupees, which means it can issue shares up to 50 lakh rupees. Initially, it issues shares worth 10 lakh rupees, which investors fully pay for. That rupee 10 lakh is Green Tech's paid up capital, the actual capital available for business use. The remaining 40 lakh rupees in authorized capital is reserved for future fundraising. So, in summary, authorized capital equals maximum possible funds to raise, paid up capital equals actual funds raised till date.